Oh. Alright. She different. Right out the box. Hi guys, my name is Mika Choice. What's up, what's up, what's up? I'm the owner of Choice Styles Hair and choicestyleshair.com. If you know me, you know I love anything hair extension, and I've been doing hair now for about 15 years, so I know a little bit about what I'm talking about. The focus of choicestyleshair.com is to make wearing wigs fun for everybody. If you're new to the wig game or you're a pro. To help make things easier, I've broken choice styles down into 3 categories. New choice styles are wigs for beginners who are brand new to wearing wigs and don't know much about doing it. Star choice wigs category is for intermediates that are good but not super great. And elite choice styles is for the pros in the game who like them laid and slayed, okay? No matter which category you're in, Choice Styles Hair makes it easy and affordable, okay? With that said, I'm going to save you the time and hassle of getting a wig you don't know how to use and throwing your money down the drain with this little segment called Box to Beauty. Okay guys, we're back out the box. So, I'm in my stocking cap. You see it? Don't talk about my stocking cap. It fits now. I gotta get it to where it fits, you know. Like shoes. In your box, you receive one of 3 things. Some lashes, the little lashes, you know. A wig cap, or like a stocking cap. It's free. So let's put this thing on. Let me show you the beginning, on the inside of it first. There's no caps in this one, in particular. Yay, nay, you tell me. There's an adjustable strap in the back. It says, I think like 20 to 22 inches. I've already taken one strap off because I know that I have a big head. So, we'll just leave that there. Let's go. Right on. Kind of hold it. I'm gonna hold it where I want it to be for now. Kind of slip that sucker on. All right. She different. Right out the box. Feeling. Y'all. What do you think? I think it looks natural. I think it looks like a normal cut. I'm going to kind of fix it up and make it like a bob type style. Straighten it out. Make it look cool. But I think it looks okay for now. Okay guys, pros and cons. They're easy, easy, easy. All the new choice style or new choice segments or new choice wigs category, all the wigs in the new choice category are easy, easy, easy. And that's how we make it easy for the beginners to start wearing these wigs. As you can see, there's no glue. You don't need any gel. Set it and forget it, okay? Some cons to this thing, it doesn't have a natural part. I don't know if you can say that that's a con, pro, con, or whatever, but so stay tuned. We're gonna fix this thing up in the fix it segment. So keep watching. Okay guys, here we go. I just using some foam. You use any foam of your choosing. I did not use the shears or anything to cut this hair. It came with a little crimp in it, so I'm just using the styling foam to get the crimp out so that I can restyle it. I'm gonna take my time. It only took a few minutes. I was amazed, like, at how quick I styled this hair and how easy it was for me to accomplish. And that's the whole purpose. I want that to be the same for everyone. And wearing this wig makes it that easy. Just taking my flat iron, running it through. Nothing special. I like the swoop side bang. You see me getting it? Easy peasy. I found this curling iron, flat iron in my car. Excuse me, I normally have bablets. My gal. That's my curling iron in the back. I bought that, but not the flat iron. Anyway, it's too easy. Little brushy brush. Little comby comb. I was gonna speed it up. I didn't use any extra things. I didn't use any hairspray. Yo, guys, this is too easy. I am like totally almost done. Not like my shirt. This style is totally painless. Look at me. I love that. What? I was surprised. Shook. But I have to say, it looks pretty good. She flat. Feeling myself. All right. Let's. We're back. Oh boy. I don't know, guys, but I don't like to brag, but dang. I like it. It looks cute. What do you guys think? Let me know what you think about this one. I got this wig and many others on choicestyleshair.com. Check me out, guys. I want to know what video you want me to see next. Subscribe down below. Check me out. Support your girl. Just out here doing what I do. Hey. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3 Z. Okay? Let me know what you think about this one. If there's a wig that you want to help with on the site, let me know. I take care of you, okay? Don't forget, you deserve it. Yee yee.